Are you still juggling files between Asana and Google Drive? I'll show you how to sync them step by step so nothing gets lost. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Asana with Google Drive so you can get more done in less time with less stress. So let's get into it.
So we are starting off here on the Asana home screen. The first thing that we are going to click on is the My Tasks button in the top left corner. From there, you are going to click on the Customize button in the top right corner. Once the menu pops up, click on Apps, then click on the Add button with the small little plus icon. This will take you right into the Apps menu. Now, sometimes Google Drive will pop up right at the top here. If you don't see Google Drive at the top, then you can use this search bar right here to search for it. Once Google Drive pops up, click into the menu, then click on the Add to Project button. Asana is going to ask you to connect to Google Drive, so click on the Connect to Google Drive button. From there, the next menu will ask you for permission. Click on Allow. Once Google Drive is added, a confirmation page will show up, and then click on the Got It button. Now this will take you back into the My Tasks screen in Asana. Click on any task that you want to attach an attachment to. The attachment could be anything in your Google Drive, from documents to videos or even images. Click into any task and you should now see where it says Google Drive and the clickable text that says Add Google Drive file. Click on that and a text box will appear. Now you can search this text box just like you search within Google Drive. This prevents you from going back and forth between browser tabs. Just a reminder that this is a live link between Google Drive and Asana, which means you're always looking at the most up-to-date version of your file on Google Drive. One last note is that you need to give your team member or person that you're sharing the task with permission to view the file from Google Drive. That will allow them access to view that within Asana. This integration makes everything seamless, so next time you or someone on your team is working on a task, they can directly click on the link to see the file.
Now that Asana is synced, you can start organizing and integrating all of your files into your next Asana project. If you're looking to level up your Asana skills to help streamline your business, grab my free Asana business game plan. The link is in the description, and I have an entire Asana playlist here. Until next time, stay productive.